Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In the following video I wanted to talk to you about Mech Assembly. So I've been playing this lately and I must say that I absolutely love it, and also I wanted to find a mod menu so I can use unlimited diamonds and coins. And great news guys, I actually found one. So if you are interested in 99999 Mech Assembly diamonds and coins, then make sure you watch this video until the end. Okay guys, so first things first, head over to your settings, scroll down, head over to apps and search for App Store. Okay, then go all the way down and make sure that the offload unused apps is turned off. This is key. After you've done this, search for Safari. Okay, then go all the way down, go to advanced and make sure that the JavaScript is turned on. This is important. After you've done this, open up your browser and type in tweakmate. So tweakmate.com. Okay, guys. Now, once you're here, use the search bar and type in Mech Assembly. And you will see right here, press on it. Now press install and it will start installing this mod on your iOS or Android depending on what you are using. And guys, I cannot vouch enough for TweakMate. They've been nothing short of great at providing different tweak tabs which are not available on the App Store, and the best part is that so far none of them have been revoked, which is a huge plus. Okay, so let's give it a few more seconds here. Okay, now press allow, close. Go back to your settings. Then head over to General, VPN and Device Management, and you will see right here Mech Assembly. Press on it. Now press install, type in your passcode, and voila guys, now you will have it on your home screen. What you need to do right now is open up the app, and then you will be redirected to a page with a list of offers. Make sure that you follow the instructions correctly and complete at least 3 offers. Some of them are apps, some of them are offers, but do make sure that you follow the instructions correctly for each and every one of them. Some apps, I would highly recommend you that you open them for at least 30 seconds. For other offers, there are different instructions, so make sure you check them out correctly. After this, restart your phone, and then you should be able to use the unlimited diamonds and coins in Mech Assembly. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.